So iLead Global is an organization that runs an institute. And as a matter of fact, we have several programs that we run. And this is because we are on a mission. We are on a mission. And our mission is to empower people so that they can accomplish their purpose on earth. We empower people through coaching, training in leadership, entrepreneurship, personal development, breaking geographical barriers using technology. And you can see that technology is why we are here. Technology is what has enabled us, or is what is enabling us to be here right now. Our goal is to become agents of change, changing the lives of 2 billion people around the world by the year 2040. And so to do this is why we have the number of products and services that we offer. Next slide. Next slide, please. So we have the iLead Global Training Center, which we will be looking into a bit more later today. The iLead Global Training Center provides a number of courses that helps people skill up. We are living in a time where we need to sharpen our skills. Next slide. Is everything okay? Okay, great. And so we also have the iLead Global Business School, which we had a pretty good knowledge of iLead, the iLead Business School 365 yesterday. Yesterday was a value-packed session. We learned a lot. Things we thought we knew better. And so you just had a taste of what the iLead Global School of Business 365 can offer. And so I would not even stress it so much anymore. Next slide. Yeah, and so we have here our School of Coaching. So for those of us who are so enthusiastic about helping people to achieve so much in life, you know that they can do better. Some of us, we also know that we can do better ourselves, but we find ourselves trapped. We find ourselves stuck. How do we get unstuck? And how do we help other people get unstuck? Amongst other reasons in several fields, be it with mental health, be it finance, career. That is what the Coaching Institute equips us to be and to help others become more. Next slide. And we have the iLead Global Exchange. The iLead Global Exchange is your gateway to studying abroad, is your gateway to working abroad. In Nigeria, we say Japa. Those of us who want to Japa, iLead Global Exchange is your gateway, is your ticket, is your short ticket. This one, nobody's going to eat your money and run. We would see your documents. We would know what it is you want to achieve. We will advise you, and we would work with you all through the way. Next slide. And then we have the iLead Global Facilitators Program. So for those of us who love working with kids, those of us who want to work with kids or who are working with kids and we have challenges with this, we have an amazing program that will equip you with even more knowledge on how you can work with these kids. We have everything that you can imagine in iLead Global to become better. Next slide.